What's up, people? I hope all of you are having an amazing weekend. A quick update on the market and what I am looking for the beginning of the week. So let's get started. First of all, I want to highlight some key levels here with you. So let me get rid of this for a second. Let me highlight some key resistance resistance and supports to bear in mind. Okay, so first of all, I really want to highlight the importance of this resistance right here. This is, in my opinion, the main resistance that Bitcoin is facing at this point. Let me try and make it a little bit slimmer. Okay, and yeah, now it's okay. So let's move on to the weekly for a quick overview, and let's take a look at this from an unbiased view. So at all-time highs, pretty heavy resistance here at all-time highs. Rejected first time. This is the second time, but we're not really rejecting. We are dancing here at the resistance. One of the two possibilities. This is either going to break down or up. Of course, I mean this is obvious. Where it's going to break, this is the question, and I will try to answer this question using my own analysis and probably some probabilities and some gut feeling. So one thing to highlight is the importance of this weekly level here. This is a very heavy resistance right here. I mean, everyone agrees. So let's move on to the daily and identifying this local resistance right here. Of course, take a look how we rejected off this level. Let me zoom in deeper, and yeah, take a look. We rejected this region precisely. Now if I move this a little bit higher at the candle closes here on the 4 hourly, okay, we can clearly see that here we had a deviation. So basically it was, you can say, a fake out, rejected, another fake out, another reject to the downside. Now, two scenarios that can happen, and how am I going to trade them? So number one, currently I think price is in bearish territory, but of course, all we need, reclaim this level and you're good to go. You're really good to go higher. This is the bullish case. So bullish case, let me write it here clearly so everyone can see this. Bullish. Okay, I'm bullish here above this resistance. I would turn bullish. Currently neutral to bearish. Why I'm saying this? Because I want to highlight the fact that this can easily break down. Yes, this can break down. We have some levels that are waiting to be tested. So just a second. Okay, this is a perfect symmetrical triangle. So what can happen? We have some key levels here down that are waiting to be tested once again, as I said. So let's move on to the daily chart. Let me delete the previous daily and let me highlight a new daily level right here, being this one. So here we have a key level of support. This is really a key level of support. Now Oh, this is way too extended, but yeah, this is looking good. So as I said, I'm looking probably, a push down to around here. This level right here is strong. Okay, this level, we should see a reaction. We should see a pretty good reaction from the bulls. That's just my opinion. I really see this level as a strong level. Reasons, well, number one, we had a clearly established support. Of course, we can get some wicks. So what do I mean by this? We can do something like this, okay, and then go higher. So pay attention, this is still at the support, but I'm talking about, if it drops to around here, what you want to see, reclaim this level and you're shooting back up. Okay, on the 4 hourly, the support is down here, but on the daily, this is where the daily level is. So let me make this one, let me plot this daily right here and change the color to green. This is how I like to set my colors. So why I am bearish? I do think, let me just give you a quick example here. Take a look at this. This triangle, okay, everyone saw this one as a bullish one, but it ended up breaking down. Okay, so triangles can, or sorry, symmetrical triangles are not usually, bullish. They can really break down, even in an uptrend. They can break down, and I just really feel that a lot of people, are longs. Sorry, a lot of people are long. Maybe around here during this consolidation, they think that this is bullish, a bullish consolidation. What can happen? We can easily wreck them, okay, or push the price down, liquidate some of these longs, and maybe after that we can get a push higher. So this is not a region, okay, of bearishness. This is clear support. This is a very strong support right here. So 17,135 and 16,520. These regions right here are pretty strong as a support. So what I think is going to happen, this is just my opinion. So right now I am neutral to bearish. So I am a little bit bearish. I think a push down is coming. But my plan says like this: if I see this region reclaimed back to bullish zone, then I will just flip my bias and long Bitcoin. Pretty easy and pretty straightforward. It's all about having a plan and really executing that plan. It's not about thinking that you are right and you cannot lose. No, if you admit your loss, if you admit that, okay, I was wrong on this idea, price flipped this region, let me long, because this is looking strong, and it goes up, you make money. If it goes down, you understand that you are at a resistance, you understand that here you are favoring shorts, and basically you make money if it goes down. So I'm keeping this analysis pretty simple. I hate, having 10 million indicators on my chart and 10 million ideas. Simply have a plan A and a plan B. If plan A goes wrong, you have plan B. More plans will get you to analysis paralysis, and you will get confused. But this is what I think, my thoughts for the upcoming week. Looking maybe a little bit bearish, push down, then we'll see what will happen. But I think, you know, we're getting a bounce if we come down to around here. So I'm really interested in longs. Currently interested in shorts, and here I'm interested in longs. One quick idea, maybe, if you want to enter a short. So one thing to understand here is this. Basically, we had resistance, flipped it yesterday, support, somehow support, broken. Okay, so this is a clear break. And now we could get a retest. Okay, I see price possibly pushing a little bit higher, retesting before dropping down. So bear in mind, we can have some nice short entries around here. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers, have a good day, bye bye.